Welcome to the BizMiz project. Through these short digital resources, we aim to help you to improve your information literacy and your personal awareness on how to use information ethically. After this short video, you should have a better understanding of your information skills and about the responsibility of managing information. Let's start from the beginning. What do we mean by information? The Business Dictionary states, data that is accurate and timely, specific and organized for a purpose, presented within a context that gives it meaning and relevance, and can lead to an increase in understanding and decrease uncertainty. And what do we mean by literacy? Someone's level of knowledge or competence in a particular area or subject in a multimodal society. Summarizing what do we mean by information literacy, the most commonly cited and used definition is one adopted by the American Library Association. To be information literate, a person must be able to recognize when information is needed and have the ability to locate, evaluate, and use effectively the needed information. The information literate individuals are those who have learned how to learn. While we talk about digital literacy, when there is a capability to use digital technology, communication tools, or networks to locate, evaluate, use, and create information. An information competent citizen, whether a student, a professional, or a worker, is able to recognize his or her information needs, knows how to locate, identify, access, retrieve, evaluate, organize, and use information. To be an information literate person, one has to know how to benefit from the worlds of knowledge and incorporate the experience of others into one's background. The information literate person is capable of prospecting, the ability to locate relevant information, to sift it, to sort it, and to select it. Interpreting, the ability to translate the data and information into knowledge, insight, and understanding. Creating new ideas, developing new insights. Information ethics is a field of applied ethics that addresses the uses and abuses of information technology, and information systems for personal, professional, and public decision-making. Information ethics provides a framework for critical reflection on the creation, control, and uses of information. From the perspective of information ethics, there are 5 important themes to be considered: community, ownership, access, privacy, and security. You have now completed this short video which gave you an insight into how you can be an information competent citizen and businesswoman, aware of their own responsibility about any use or abuse of information. For more resources that will help you to develop your digital and social media literacy, please visit the BizMiz e-learning portal at courses.bizmiz.eu.